Alright, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to try and attempt to put a rubber cutting edge on the bottom of my angle blade. And that's because of this problem, that I have a giant scrape across the corner of my stones. And that's because the angle blade dug into the stone and scraped it. My driveway, although it does look kind of flat on camera, it does undulate a bit, which causes the corners of the angle blade to dig in. So I want to put a rubber edge on it, and what we're going to use... Hello.
Yo, what's going on? Long time no see.
We're going to use this rubber stall mat, and we're going to try to sandwich it between the cutting edge and the back plate of the moldboard using the space that we have with these nuts and bolts. Should be a quick one. We're just going to loosen them, try to drive the rubber mat up between them, tighten them again, and then cut it to length. All right, Aiden is going to loosen those big nylock
24mm bolts and nuts. We're not going to take them all the way off. We're just make a little gap between this surface here. So we'll leave the nuts and bolts on, create a little gap here, and then ideally we can take this and jam it up in there as much as we can, and hopefully that is enough to sandwich that, and then we'll show you what we do after that. This gun is not the happiest thing
You're
anymore.
gonna have to go more. You have to go more.
What's up?
I think you're gonna have to take them off more.
Oh, really? There's enough space there?
No.
Really? Okay.
Well, if we do all of that, how we're gonna pinch to get that on?
Oh. It's gonna take. Alright, so I left that one on, the very last one, so you can kind of peel right back, and then I'll lift this up in here with this hammer. There you go, so throw that last one in there.
Just a bit though, eh?
Just want to run the line, do them all. Try to. I have to pinch this more. You do a bit more.
We'll fix the other end. Is it up inside?
Sorry? It's all the way up. It's just the middle we need right now. Okay, you push the nut.
Yeah.
Middle nut.
Is it all the way up?
I need the bolt specifically pushed in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, hold on. Use your foot to push the rubber up.
Okay.
With me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hard. Okay. Alright.
Are they all in?
All the bolts are in.
Alright,
Except for this one.
Let me put it down. Or just push it onto the ground.
Alright, you want to do that so bad?
Well, I just want fresh.
Okay. gonna fold over quick. It's gonna fold right over. Hold on. Okay, just gonna fold right over. That was a tight one. And it's gonna fall right out of itself. Alright. It's tight. Alright. Just more. More? No. Okay.
All right, so we have added the rubber on the bottom. Yes, it's a bit long, but I'm not cutting that. And what we're gonna do now is just cut the end off so that it's overhanging by 1 inch to match the other side. And then we're gonna loosen this bolt and the captive nut that's under here so this can rotate, because then I can just use this as a linchpin so I can rotate the whole thing around as needed. Because right now they're both locked in with nuts, and that's not user friendly. So we're gonna change that right now, and then we'll tighten the bolts, tighten the nylon lock nuts better, and we'll be ready to go. Ready?
Yep.
And then just loosen the other one.
Okay. Oh. The first thing.
Oh, is that a lock nut?
What?
Is this one a lock nut?
It has a. There is a lock nut in
It's
it.
not a nylon?
No.
So it has to be tight.
Yeah.
Will this fit on there?
No. No chance.
Do we have another nut so we can double nut it?
No.
Damn it! Alright, I'll loosen it and rotate it around anyway.
Well, this doesn't fit. Remember?
Something does, I tightened it with something. Will that fit?
On the inch.
Oh!
It is so close. It's too small. Actually.
Too small. No, I think I just used the pipe wrench.
Like it's past 1.5 inches is what we're at. Use that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so. We're wearing this in here. Just talked about this to my mom about not wearing this in here, and here we are. I'm laying on the ground in the shop.
Just take it off, quick.
No, I have a nice sweater underneath it too. It's too late. What?
Just hurry up.
Dude, this doesn't fucking fit.
Hurry up. I got it on there. The day you left me on the driveway with putting this thing on. Okay, good. Oh, check this out. Rotate. Are you kidding me?
We're good.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Save.
Alright, I'm gonna put it back in this way. Oh, I need to do it straight.
Oh, you have to play around with this.
Alright, so that way what I'm going to do now is just pull up to the back of the garage doors, pull it away, and then I'll use the blower. So I'll leave it straight. I'm happy with the cutting edge, and we're going to cut it off at the right length. I'm happy with the nylock nuts on the back. We're just going to tighten them a bit more. We're going to tighten the bolt back under here, and we'll just leave this loose, and we'll be ready for the snow.
Be ready for a video about losing this, and then in the summertime, finding this bolt.
He knows me so well. I've used this once, and already the salt from the roads, and this is a poor design, having a giant crevice in the top like that, where it fills up with rocks. All right, so now we'll just tighten those up and cut the end off. How are we going to cut that? Knife.
Not with a grinder.
Knife.
Yeah.
So we're just going to use a knife for that.
So look at the other one first. Yeah, like an inch. Closer than you think. You can heat it up too.
No. In the back.
Oh yeah. Alright, so clean. Super clean.
There you go.
Good. It's pretty satisfying.
All right, there we go. Let's just take it for a bit of a spin up by the edge of the driveway, and we'll try to grab some of the gravel and see if we can see if it spits it out or rips or something. All right, let's go test this out.
So that's what happened. It dug in real good, tore that whole section up.
I'm gonna fill that in.
Oh, okay. Want to put your four ways? Put your four ways. Start. Want to do your Want to do your four ways? Got a person coming. Okay, go. So I think if you want that to work like that, you got to shorten it up. Like you'd almost want to go cut like half an inch to an inch just below this one. Like you almost want to cut it at this buckle right here. So that when it goes, like you'd go right here or something on this one. And then that would be all gone. And then you could just jam this as hard as it'll go down, and hopefully that does it.
Okay, so I think we're going to leave it like this for now. We're going to try it in the next snow. It wasn't able to, I'll say, pull with a lot of sharp edging, like it was rolling over the rocks. But hopefully with the snow, it'll at least be able to pull it off. The other thing is I'm worried about is wearing it down. So if we cut it to the length that we like it, the more I use it, the more this will be worn down, and then I'll have to replace it. So at least this way, I'll play with it for the first little while and see how it goes, and then we can make modifications to it after.
Yeah, sounds good. This is the fun part of test and tuning. You know, try something new, try to get your result, test and tune. That's all it is.
And this way, it also will be back dragging and not digging in as if it was pulling and all the stuff would be hitting here. So I'm happy with it being dragging. So that will protect my pavers and my driveway through until it freezes, and then we get some hard packed stuff on there. But stay tuned for the next videos. We'll see how it goes. We're supposed to be getting some snow in the next couple days, and I'll definitely take it out and see how it goes. Thanks very much for watching.
It'll be a perfect squeegee. A little shop Zamboni, if you will. It'll clean up all the water. Super nice over the winter. All right, see you guys.